is Zurida from Tungsten Electricals. So today we are installing an instant shower for our giveaway winner. I guess most of you guys saw we were running a giveaway and we announced the winner on 14th Feb. Yeah, let me introduce to you our giveaway winner.
Hi guys, my name is Felicia. I won the Tungsten Electricals giveaway. I've been having constant issues with my shower. I've been having electricians come in to look at the shower. It's been quite expensive, but I hope Tungsten Electricals will help sort my problem.
So yeah guys, as you've heard, she's been having issues with her shower and today we want to change her shower. Let me show you guys the shower she won. This is the Lorenzetti brand. It comes with a free shower arm and it retails at 3,000. So guys, yeah, as she has mentioned, her shower had issues and each time she tried replacing the shower, she was told her switch had issues. Then the second time she was told the instant shower head had issues. But today as we have checked it, it's the element that had issues. So guys, most of the time the problems that usually rise for an element to burn, it's usually either when you're supposed to there are directions that you're supposed to follow. First of all, when you want to switch on your shower, first let the water run. The second thing, switch on your shower switch. Then another thing you're supposed to consider is when you're buying an instant shower, you're supposed to know your water type. So if your water is extremely salty, there are types of showers that you're supposed to buy, and if your water is fresh, there are types of showers you're supposed to buy. So this shower is a fresh water shower and it can work with borehole water if the water is slightly salty. So most of you guys, you don't know how to know if your water is salty or not salty. If you're able to drink your water, okay, not like meaning not like much water, but if you're able to drink, if it's drinkable, then that water is slightly salty and this type of shower can work. So guys, we are going to show you how we are going to change the shower, and as we change it, we are going to be talking 1, 2, 3 things. So yeah, let's wait and change the shower with our technician. So guys, we are removing the element, the instant shower element, the heating element. And as you can see, it's burnt out. I don't know if you are able to see it well. It's burnt out. It's not the head that had the issue, it's the heating element. And as also you can see, the wires were unkept. So as we use the free shower arm, it's going to help with neatness. So guys, this is the Benaducha brand. It's also a nice one. It's the 3T one, the same as the one we are going to install, but ours is the Lorenzetti brand. And also it comes with a free shower arm. So that's the advantage. But the temperature range is also the same. So any is workable. Also, as you have seen, he was trying to clean the outlet, the water outlet source. So guys, that's the shower arm. Yeah, it's a plastic one and a very cute one by Miad. So also guys, in case your water clogs, like not all the outlets are removing water, mostly you're supposed to just take a soft brush, wash around the, okay, I've opened the shower head. You can wash around it softly with a brush. A nice brush, just wash it. And anyway, you can also use, you don't have to always open the shower head. You can just also take a brush and just brush it slightly up smoothly. It also works. So either way, you can opt to open your shower head or to just brush it when it's still installed. So guys, we are fixing the shower arm. So for anyone who wants to know how to install a shower, this is the best video to watch. Step-by-step video. You have to also ensure when you're installing the shower arm, whether metallic or plastic, that it's straight, so that the element hits the water well, like there's no slanting of the shower arm. So this is the shower, the Lorenzetti Ngala. It has 3 temperature ranges: hot, off, and warm. So either. So guys, also when you want to change your temperature range, please do not change it when your water is running. The element can burn. It can easily burn. That's another cause for element burning easily. It's not always that your shower is faulty. It can be because some rules you're not following. So guys, you're using the thread tape. It helps with leakage. So when you're putting it, or when you're installing it on your shower arm, it's going to be tight enough so there's no water will leak. So yeah, the shower is tight enough. I don't know if you're able to see it. The light is against our camera, but we are trying. So yeah, it's neat. Okay, we have not yet finished with the wiring part. It's the next step. Yeah. So guys, we are testing if the water is going to leak. So you can also confirm there's no leakage. So the shower is okay. So the next bit is the wiring. So guys, when I say the shower and the advantage of using a shower this plastic one, it's for neatness. I think you can see shower the wires zinapitishwa ndani ya this plastic arm. Iko na space. I believe you can all see. Iko na space yenye wires zitapita, then zitokeze this other side for neatness purposes. Then from there, we are going to show you how we are going to also help with neatness. So guys, we are done with the wiring bit. We've connected the wires using an insulating tape, the white one. And the next step, we are going to use a flex conduit to hide the wires for neatness purposes. So guys, that's the flex conduit. You can see any wire. Can anyone see any wire? That's the plastic shower arm. That's the shower head. So guys, you can see it also has a wide spreader compared to the inner shower type. So this is the Lorenzetti shower. 3 temperature range: warm, hot, and neutral. So with neutral, it's like it's cold, so it's off. So yeah, if you have any question, you can just ask us. And then we have professional technicians who can do the work, and they do a perfect job, as you can see.
Excited and since nimetengenezewa shower, it looks so beautiful. I really appreciate Tungsten Electricals. You're really done a nice job. I'm happy. Yes, come guys. So follow them on Instagram. Do your bookings. Then do your neat job. Thank you.
So guys, as you've heard, Felicia is happy. The shower looks fabulous. It's nice. We've changed the metallic arm to the plastic one. We've also changed the instant shower to this brand, the Lorenzetti one, and it's cute. The blue color tells it all. So guys, if you want to find us, we are in Instagram, Tungsten Electricals, Facebook, Tungsten Electricals. We're also in YouTube, Tungsten Electricals, Twitter, the same name, TikTok. We're also in TikTok if you want to see more of the videos with the running water. So yeah, and also Facebook. So in case you want to learn anything about showers, we also deal with solar lights, electric lights, garden lights, street lights, and also all those lighting electrical products. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.